So used oil is basically, it is an oil that we change because it's already past the prescribed usage of the oil. Basically, it doesn't have a body. If you gonna do it on the level, here, the level, there is no viscosity already. It's black and there is no viscosity. Right? There is no viscosity. Okay. The point is, if we place a certain drop lang over the used oil, a certain drop lang.
Ng ating product.
Ng product. Is that it changed the structure of the used oil. By way of what? Kanina wala ng body yung langis. Pag hinalo natin ito, ang mangyayari yung black on the level, nakikita mo, hindi napapatid. Hindi siya napapatid. Nagkaroon na siya ng viscosity. And look at the structure of the oil. The black is no longer black. Hanggang mamaya, makikita mo, puti na yan. As a regular